Hello again, I hope you're doing well. Um, since I last made a video, I've been looking at the progress of my Facebook ads, the campaign I set up for getting people to subscribe to the free product, the Affiliate Marketer's Playbook, which is a state-of-the-art front-end product designed by Dean Holland to orient people to where affiliate marketing is at these days. And I'm finding that I can get people to go to a cold ad video, and that's okay. They are clicking on it and going and at least looking at a few seconds, which is all very heartening, but are they staying there? Have I captured their attention enough? And I wonder, I suspect I haven't. Although I'm not sure how the pixel's actually working on this ad, or whether it's even engaging as the videos on YouTube, and I don't know if the pixel system works with YouTube. So anyway, I still have plenty to find out about the mechanics of Facebook ads, and then of course the warm ad, which is supposed to pick up from where the cold ad left off, and take people who enjoyed more than just a few seconds of the video to a different place where they find out more about this product, and hopefully to warm them up enough to become subscribers. Now that is the ideal situation, and so far I haven't managed to do that. So there's obviously work to be done with this particular matter of Facebook ads and learning the mechanics of it. It's one of those fiddly little things where you can get everything right, unless you get exactly everything right, it doesn't work. So I'm going to be launching a sort of inquiry into why my campaigns aren't as successful as they might be, because by now I should be showing some kind of fruit for my efforts, as certainly I put the efforts in and worked extraordinarily hard. Which is not to say it isn't interesting a lot of the time, because it is, but you do want to get subscribers, and you do want to get people buying into the product. And in any case, the product itself is so worthwhile having that people are a bit silly not to go and get it. And there is a link for it at the bottom of this video, which if you watch this video you may want to go and click as well. I mean, my own personal marketing may be suspect, but the book isn't. It's by Dean Holland rather than myself, and Dean Holland's been in the business for ages, and is very successful at it. And in the modern world, people can benefit from what he knows, because he's kept up with the affiliate marketing game and knows how it's adapted. And if you get in on his funnel, then there's a greater chance of you getting success as well. Now, that's not the only thing I'm concerned with in this marketing business, because I do have fingers in a couple of pies, and I do like to spread my wings a little bit, and sometimes it's just really good to get away from the nitty-gritty of the routine work you have to do to go and listen to a few other people's ideas, which I've been doing, and coming out with clarity about how to go about selling stuff. And obviously somebody else who plays a part in my life is Russell Brunson, because he's a major marketing figure, and he has some very, very good ideas. And it's nice to get out of the rut once in. For the rest, there's still plenty I have to learn. I have to become clear on. I mean, actually in this game it's quite easy to get the basics, and you can find out all about it from any number of sources. But it's the refining thereafter that becomes the tricky bit. and just developing one's marketing sense so that one hones in one's skill in a way that you never realised that you had to when you started the game. So I'm going through that stage a bit now. Not in the basic column anymore, but certainly not in the advanced and super expert phase. But if you're new to this marketing business, then anybody's really an expert if they know that more than you. I do have educational stuff which you might be interested in. It's on one of my websites, and I'll say more about that in another video. But if you fancy finding out about the Affiliate Marketer's Playbook, then click the link below and knock yourself out. Bye for now.